Welcome to Cuz Translation. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create an on-site interpretation project. To begin, click the big blue button at the top right corner of the projects page. Select the interpretation option. On the next page, you must enter the details of your interpretation project, including appointment type. Please select on-site interpretation, as it will be set to remote interpretation by default. Once you've selected the on-site interpretation option, scroll down to set a dress code for your appointment. After you've completed all other details, click Continue and move on to date and appointment details. Here, you have the option to select your own interpreter or let Cuz choose for you. If you opted to select your own interpreter, you will have access to the interpreter selection screen. On the date and appointment details page, you must also select the date, time, and location for the on-site interpretation project. Once the address details are complete, click Continue and move on to interpreter selection. Keep in mind that this page will only be available if you opted to choose your own interpreter. After you've selected an interpreter, click Continue and move on to review project details. If you spot an error, you can always go back and update it. Click Continue and move on to payment details. If you have a referral code, you may enter it in the designated area. If you don't have a payment method saved, click the blue Add New Payment Method button and follow the steps. Once you're satisfied with the details, click Submit to send your project request to the interpreter.